Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song Stupid in Love by Max featuring YUNJIN of LE SSERAFIM. I think that's how you say it. And yeah, first up, I would just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. But before we begin, please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. If you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And you will also now be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the E major 7 chord. That's going to be dead string, 7, 9, 8, 9, dead string. D sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be dead string, 6, 8, 6, 7, 6. With the bar on the 6th fret from the A string down to the high E string. It's going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be dead string, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4. Then the G sharp minor 7 chord. That's going to be 4, dead string, 4, 4, 4, dead string. You could do it like this or like this. Depends on you when it comes to playing this chord. It's going to be the A sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord. It's going to be like this one right here. That is going to be dead string, 1, 2, 1, 2, then dead string. Then that's going to be the D sharp 7 chord. That's going to be dead string, 6, 8, 6, 8, then 6. Once more with the bar on the 6th fret from the A string down to the high E string. So all in all, that would be the E major 7 chord, D sharp minor 7, C sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, A sharp minor 7 flat 5, then the D sharp 7 chord. Okay, and as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Yep, so when it comes to using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and this part of your thumb for the up strums. That would be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer to use a pick, it's going to be more straightforward, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums, then upward motions for the up strums. That would be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 8 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And as the song goes, we're going to be breaking down that strumming pattern as well. So the first 2 counts is going to be this downward strum right here. Then the next 2 counts is going to be this pattern right here. Just an up, down, up. Then for the last 4 counts, going to be the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's 2, 2, 4. Yep, 2, 2, 4. Okay, so for the first and the second verse, as well as the second and the third chorus section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be the E major 7 chord for the first 2 counts. It's going to be the D sharp minor 7 chord for the next 2 counts. It's going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord for the last 4 counts of the strumming pattern. Yep, so it's going to be a bit faster. It's going to be like this. Yep, the next up is going to be the first 4 counts of the strumming pattern for the D sharp minor 7 chord. And the G sharp minor 7 chord for the last 4 counts of the strumming pattern. Yep, so all in all, that would be yep, just like that. The next up is going to be the E major 7 chord once more for 2 counts. Yep, now this time it's going to be the A sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord for 2 counts. Then D sharp 7 chord for 2 counts. Then the G sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, so for that second half, it's going to be this one right here. Then after that, we're just going to be repeating that entire chord progression one more time. So once again, from the first E major 7 chord for 2 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There's something about your eyes. Tell me these feelings are mutual. Cause feelings are so hard to find. No, it's a little soon, baby, but I go anywhere. You take me, long as you're calling me, baby. They can all call us crazy. Okay, so for the first chorus section of this song, as well as the first, second, and the third post-chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the previous chord progression, but we're just going to be repeating it once for the whole thing. So once again, E major 7 chord for 2 counts, D sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts, C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, then this. Just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Let's get married in Vegas. We don't need to guess list. I don't wanna think too much. Let's get matching tattoos. I don't wanna think it through, baby. I'm so stupid in love. Okay, so for the bridge section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So first up is going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord. For this one, we're going to be doing the first 4 counts of this strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up. Then the D sharp minor 7 chord for the next 4 counts of the strumming pattern is going to be. Once more, E major 7 chord for the first 4 counts. Then the G sharp minor 7 chord for the last 4 counts. Same thing, C sharp minor 7 chord for the first 4. Then the last 4 for the D sharp minor 7. Then once more A sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord for 2 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So tell me right now, before we calm down, can we make it work, baby? Let's find out. So tell me right now, before we calm down, can we make it work, baby? Let's find out. Okay, so for the outro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, and it's just going to be the E major 7 chord for the first 2 counts, D sharp minor 7 chord for the next 2 counts, then the C sharp minor 7 chord for the last 4 counts. Yep, that's the end of this song. It's going to be beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yep, once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So stupid in love with you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, that is the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this point of the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.